Welcome to Aubrey's Life.
Welcome to Aubrey's Life.
Today is beach day.
Even though we're in our regular clothes. Impromptu date.
It's
Since
show.
Mommy's off work today,
It's show day.
we're shark tooth hunting.
And we're walk hunting.
We're,
Shell hunting.
yep, shell and shark tooth hunting. We found one, a good sized one, didn't we, Aubrey? Here, you want to show them?
Yeah.
We can get it back out. Show them your shark tooth. Ooh, it's a good one. Put it in the palm of your hand. That's a good one.
Look,
Oh, you think it can fit in your mouth? Let's
I'm
see.
a shark.
Oh, you're a shark. Arr. Ah, she's biting me. Okay, give it to me so you don't lose it.
Here you go.
I'll put it in Mommy's purse. We got lots of stash in my... She found big ones. And Anna's got some in her hand too. We got oyster shells.
2.
Yeah, almost makes a perfect oyster.
Oh, I dropped that little one. You want it?
This.
Yep, we're having a Mommy, Aubrey, and Nana day. Since Mommy had to take off work to take Nana to the hospital, huh?
Me too.
Well, you're on summer vacation. So we decided to come to the beach to enjoy it. Of course, first thing Aubrey wants to do is get in the water, but we didn't bring bathing suits. Look at that cool shell. Look at all the shells, huh? And they're hurting my feet. Ow! So,
Don't go in the hot sand because it's really hot to me.
it's what?
It burns my feet.
What, the sand?
Yes.
Oh, when we go up there?
Yeah.
Yep.
It burns really bad.
Oh,
So
the beautiful
don't try to
houses.
step in the hot sand.
What do you think we're gonna find? Gonna find anything interesting? The water's warm today. Huh?
The shark tooth.
No, I think it's a piece of shell.
Yeah.
Yep, it's a piece of shell. Do you like the beach?
Yeah.
It's not very hot today though. Is it? Yeah. Good breeze. Got people fishing, people in the water.
Well,
Let's go test the water out.
we already did.
We want to go test it out again?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Careful.
Oh, no.
Should we go to the sandbar?
Huh?
Ooh. Here, let's walk to the sandbar.
Where's the sandbar?
Right up here. Careful.
Can we go far?
There we go. Don't go too far.
Look, watch.
Let's see if we can find more shark teeth. Huh?
When you go on the wave, watch. When you do it like this,
Your feet go?
when you wave,
Can't hear you. I'm too far away. Your feet
Wait.
sink. Ooh! Yeah, Nana's way over there. You like the waves, don't you? Oh, there's Nana.
Welcome back to Aubrey's Life. It's just eating food and getting a drink.
Yep. We got a cherry Coke And then we're gonna
Well,
order
she
some food.
made a cherry coke.
She made a cherry coke for you. Yep. How was the walking on the beach? Thumbs down. What? Why? It was thumbs up. You had a good time? Yeah. Don't spill that, please.
No.
Don't spill that. Is that good?
No, not in the sand on the beach.
Do you like the sand? You do?
Yeah,
What are we gonna?
but
What are
not
you gonna
kind
eat?
of. I am going to eat a quesadilla.
I don't think they have a quesadilla. Let's see.
You like quesadillas?
We got
Quesadilla.
fried fish,
Fried
tenders, mac and cheese, and popcorn shrimp. The ocean's right over there, over the dunes. All right, we're gonna order some food and we'll be back. Bye.
I'm going to get a goat cheese.
Okay.
Bye.
Welcome back. Now Aubrey got,
Like,
they made her a cheese quesadilla special.
and I have
Ketchup.
ketchup with my french fries.
Yep. They made that special quesadilla just for you. How's it taste?
Good.
How good?
Pretty,
Well-
pretty super good.
Really, really super good. Aubrey, go down the slide. Ooh, that sand's hot. It's hot. Is it hot?
Yeah.
The sand's hot.
Oh, what's here?
Is it hot?
What is this?
You want your shoes on?
What is this?
Piece of wood. Want your shoes on?
No.
No? Are you good?
What's this?
I don't know. Go under there.
Oh, it's shady.
It's shady.
Oh, it's a bench.
It's a bench.
Let's go. Come on.
Go down this one.
Yeah, because I haven't went down that
Is
one.
it hot though? Don't burn yourself.
Oh, yeah, it's hot.
Just put your butt down and put your legs up. Now just put your, put your legs up. It's hot.
It's too hot.
They should make it a water slide. Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
You're right there?
No, I'm coming back up.
Oh, you're coming back up?
Go over that way.
Go over that way?
I'm going down this way.
Which one are you going down?
That one.
That one? Okay.
I have to wait.
What are you eating now?
Superman ice cream.
Now we're at the ice cream shop.
To the rescue.
To the rescue.
Yeah.
He's making fudge.
And he's got the same.
Yep.
And then I'm sitting in a Superman ice cream seat.
Yeah. You're sitting in an ice cream seat?
Wait, is that the fudge that you guys are making?
Hold on. Is that good? How good is it?
Woody,
it looks good.
good.
Really good? Oh, but I can't see it.
I ate spider.
We're gonna pour it. Look how cool that is, Aubrey. Is that cool? Huh? Is it cool? How's that ice cream?
Bug.
It's good?
Say delicious.
The lish.
Delicious.
You need to pack it up here. Aubrey. Aubrey. Aubrey.
They're over here. The big koi fish. It's Fernandina. The oldest saloon's over there.
I don't like how
Old buildings.
Oh, how was that?
it
Yes, she likes that. Yeah.
is. This dog?
I know, you love dogs. Oh yeah, we were down here the other day and we're like, oh, Nana would love this store. Christmas on the river.
Yes.
Here, Aubrey, we're gonna go down to the bathrooms. Where'd you go? Look it. This is the original road. Isn't that cool?
It's here
Yeah.
bumpy. Which one is sidewalk?
I got sunburned today. Oh, another dog.
Yes, you may. It's Rosie.
Yeah. Aw. Hi,
She
Rosie.
got licked.
Hi.
Ice cream. She probably smells
Oh, yeah.
Licking all that sugar up.
Like and subscribe and give me a big thumbs up.
And we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.